Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make faux brass railing using wooden dowels and spindles. First, you're going to want to drill a hole in your spindles using a small bit first and then moving on to a larger one. Just be very careful because if you go too fast, it will split the spindles, but if you go nice and steady, you should be alright. This part can be a little tedious, but as you can see, I had the sweetest surprise from my son.
Thank you, I love you.
Next, I took Rub and Buff in the color Gold Leaf and just covered the spindles and dowels using a brush for the spindles and then using my hands for the dowels. Definitely use gloves if you choose to do this. Installing is pretty easy. I usually just eyeball it by putting the spindles down and then taking pruning shears and cutting the dowels to the size that I need them. After I piece everything together, I just take wood glue and I put it on the bottom pieces and then I turn them over and continue to install the dowels into the spindles. Once I turn them over, I use a small wooden block to help keep the glue secured to the shelf. This really is such a beginner-friendly DIY project and it elevates any space, so if you want more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.